Stop treating English like a decryption puzzle that you have to solve in your head before you speak. If you're tired of that exhausting manual calculation, translating every single word one by one before it ever leaves your mouth, it's time to stop. Today, I'm showing you how to build direct neural links between objects and sounds, real connections, so English becomes an instinctive reflex, not a math problem you have to solve every time someone asks you a question. Can I ask you something? When you see a cup of coffee on your table, what happens in your head? Be honest. Does a little voice say the word in your first language first, and then a second later does it translate that word into English? Cup, coffee, table. If that's you, I want you to know something important. This is not a sign that you're bad at English.
This is a sign that your brain learned English the wrong way, and today we are going to fix that together.
By the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly why this happens and exactly what to do about it. I'm going to give you a simple 3-step method. I call it see it, skip it, say it. See it, skip it, say it. 3 steps. And I'm also going to give you real daily exercises, things you can start today to build this skill, brick by brick, until thinking in English stops feeling like work and starts feeling like you. This is a longer lesson today because this topic deserves it. So get comfortable. Maybe grab your coffee, the one we just talked about, and let's go. Let's start by understanding why this happens. Because once you understand the problem, the solution becomes so much easier. Here's the truth. When you started learning English, what did your teacher do? They probably showed you a word, let's say dog, and they told you what it means in your own language. So in your brain, a connection was built. But here's the problem. It wasn't a direct connection. Think of it like a bridge, a direct flight from one city to another. That's how native speakers' brains work. They see a dog, dog. One connection, object to sound. No stops in between. But for most learners, the bridge has an extra stop in the middle. You see the dog, your brain flies first to your native language, the word in your own language. Then it flies again from your language to English. Object to native language to English. 2 flights when there should be 1. And here's the thing, that extra stop takes time. It takes energy. It's exhausting. That's why, after a long conversation in English, you feel so tired. Not because English is hard, but because your brain is doing double the work every single time. I know what some of you are thinking. Okay, May, I understand the problem now, but how is this even possible to fix? I've been doing this for years. I hear you. And here's the secret. Your brain built this habit, which means your brain can unbuild it too. It's not permanent. It's a pattern, and patterns can change. Okay, let's get into the method. See it, skip it, say it. Step 1, see it. This means train yourself to connect images directly to English words without your native language anywhere in the middle. Here's how you do this. I want you to look around the room you're in right now. Pick one object. Maybe it's a window, a chair, a phone. Now, look directly at that object and say the English word. Don't think about the word in your own language at all. Just look at the chair. Say chair. Look at the window. Say window. This sounds so simple, right? Almost too simple. But here's the beautiful thing. Simple is exactly what your brain needs to build a new direct path. Do this for 5 minutes a day. Walk around your home, your office, your street, and just name what you see. Directly, in English. No translation. Just see it, name it. This is the foundation. This is how the new bridge gets built. One direct connection at a time. Now, step 2. This one is harder, And I want you to really listen here. This is skip it. Skip it means when you're in a real conversation and you don't know a word, skip the search for the perfect translation and describe instead. Here's what I mean. Let's say you're speaking and you want to say a word, but you can't remember it. What does your brain usually do? It stops. It panics a little. It searches and searches for that one perfect word in your own language so it can translate it. And while you're searching, the conversation is moving on without you. Here's the secret. You don't need the perfect word. You need a word. Any words that get the idea across. Let's practice this together right now. Imagine you forgot the word umbrella. What do? You skip it and you describe it instead. It's the thing you use when it rains. It's round. You hold it above your head. See what we're doing? You didn't translate. You described. And guess what? The person understands you perfectly, maybe even better than if you just said one single word. This is what real natives... Okay, now step 3, the final piece. Say it. This step is about practicing full thoughts in English, out loud, without writing them down first and without translating them first. Here's the exercise. Every day, I want you to pick a simple moment in your life and narrate it out loud, in real time, in English. For example, you're making breakfast. As you're doing it, say, I'm cutting the bread. Now I'm putting it in the toaster. I'm waiting for it to be ready. Notice you didn't think the sentence in your language first. You looked at what you were doing, and the English came directly. Maybe slowly at first. That's okay. That's expected. I do this. My students do this. It feels strange in the beginning. I promise you, that feeling goes away. The key here is don't pause to translate. If a word doesn't come, use step 2. Skip it, describe it, and keep going. The goal is the flow, not perfection. 5 minutes a day. Narrating your real life out loud, directly in English. This is how the new bridge becomes strong enough to use automatically. So let's bring the 3 steps together. Here's what your day could look like. Morning, see it. 5 minutes. Walk around, name what you see directly in English. Afternoon, skip it. Throughout your day, whenever you forget a word, in real conversation or even just thinking, practice describing instead of searching for translation. Evening, say it. 5 minutes. Narrate something you're doing, out loud, in English, in real time. See it, skip it, say it. 15 minutes total. Spread across your day. That's all this takes. And I know some of you are thinking, May, 15 minutes sounds small. Will this really work? Here's the truth. This is exactly how language learning works. Not one big effort once, but small, consistent effort every day. Think about a plant. If you water a plant a little every single day, it grows strong. But if you wait 2 weeks and pour one huge bucket of water on it, it doesn't grow better. It might even drown. Now, I want to talk to you about something important, because I know when you try this for the first time, it might feel strange, maybe even uncomfortable. You might feel slower at first. You might feel like translating was actually faster. And in a way, for now, it is. The old bridge has been used for years. The new bridge is brand new. Of course, the new one feels slower in the beginning. Please don't let that discourage you. Please don't think, this isn't working. and go back to the old way after one day. I really mean that. This is exactly like learning to write with your other hand. At first, it feels impossible, awkward, slow. But with daily practice, real practice, even just a few minutes, the new path gets stronger. And one day, almost without noticing, it becomes the easy path, the automatic path. And here is something I want you to remember, especially on the hard days. Every single person who thinks fluently in English once translated every word, just like you're doing now. Nobody was born thinking in English. They built it, the exact same way you're building it now. So if you skip a day, that's okay. Come back the next day. No guilt. This is not about being perfect. This is about being consistent. Before we close, I want to give you one more tool, a little game I love, and I want you to try it today. I call it the object game. Pick 5 objects around you right now, any 5 things you can see. For each object, I want you to do 3 things directly in English. Name it. This is a phone. Describe it. It's black, it's small, it's on my desk. And use it in a sentence about your life. I use my phone to talk to my family. Notice, at no point did you need your native language. You went straight from the object to the thought to the English words. That's the entire goal of everything we talked about today. Try this with 5 objects today, 5 objects tomorrow, 5 different objects the day after. Within a couple of weeks, you'll notice something wonderful. This process will start happening automatically, without you even trying. So let's bring everything together. Here's everything from today in one simple place. See it? Connect objects directly to English words. No translation in between. Skip it. When you forget a word, describe it instead of searching for the perfect translation. Say it. Narrate your real life out loud, in real time. 15 minutes a day. Spread across, see it, skip it, and say it. That's the whole plan. And remember, this feeling of translating everything, it's not who you are. It's just a bridge your brain built. And bridges can be rebuilt. You have absolutely no excuse to wait for someday to start this. Today is the day. Not tomorrow, today. I really believe in you. I've watched so many of my students go from translating every single word to thinking, dreaming, and even arguing in English. It happened for them. It will happen for you too. One direct connection at a time. If this lesson helped you, tell me in the comments. Which step are you going to try first? See it, skip it, or say it? I read every single comment, and I would love to cheer you on. See you in the next video. Bye for now.